Hello everyone and welcome to this N26 review. Is this the best mobile bank for you? Well, N26 is a popular online bank that's making waves, especially among those who love managing their finances digitally and travel frequently. The question we're exploring is if it's the best mobile banking for you. This review will break down the N26 offers, including its key features, how much it costs, the good and not so good aspects, and finally, whether it might be the right banking solution for your needs. So let's dive in. We'd like to start with the features. N26 offers a range of features designed for modern banking. The first is instant transaction notifications. Then you have Spaces. This is for sub-account and fund management. Then you have a fee-free ATM withdrawals, and this depends on the plan you're on. Then you also have real-time exchange rates for international transactions. You also have budgeting tools for expense tracking and a secure biometric login for enhanced security. These are the features we love about N26. And now to the pros and cons. As you can expect, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons to help you stay informed on the service you'd like to use. And starting with the pros. N26 is user-friendly. It has a user-friendly app interface. Its fee structure is transparent and it's also suitable for international use. It has innovative financial management tools. It also has strong security measures. And when you open an N26 Metal account, you get to earn 2.5% per annum. On the flip side, the limited physical branches can be a con. And also there are reports of some customer support issues, and there are potential difficulties with cash deposits. Now, when it comes to the pricing and plans, N26 offers several plans with varying features and costs. You have the N26 Standard, which is a free account with basic features. Then you have the N26 Smart, which costs about €4.90 per month, offering additional benefits like free ATM withdrawals and dedicated customer support. Then you have N26U. This costs about €9.90 per month, adding travel insurance and higher withdrawal limits. The N26 Metal comes with a premium plan of €16.90 per month, and it includes a Metal card, phone insurance, and other perks. In conclusion, N26 is a compelling option for those who prefer digital banking and travel frequently due to its robust feature set and transparent pricing. However, it might not be the best choice for individuals who offer traditional banking services with physical branches. And at this point, we hope you're able to decide for yourself if this is the best mobile bank for you. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.